Getting in and out of your JK can really wear on your door sills, especially over a long period of time since it can get scratched and scuffed because they're painted. This door entry guard kit by Rugged Ridge will help with that wear and tear on your 07 to 18 JK Unlimited. These will protect your door sills from any damage that might come, and they will cover up any existing scratches or imperfections on your Wrangler. Not to mention, these will give you some added style points with the treaded face, and they'll provide some grip when you step in and out of the Jeep. Installing this is a breeze at 1 out of 3 wrenches since there's no drilling required, and I'll tell you more about the install in just a moment. Unlike most door sill guards, this kit is made of a thermoplastic material. Now you might not think that plastic is the best for taking this kind of abuse since you'll be stepping on these all the time, but ABS is one of the most common trim piece materials because of its durability and its strength. The guard is designed to be a tight fit, and it really follows all of the contours on the JK's body lines inside the door sill. This will come with the front and the back door sill guards and will be sized accordingly, really giving you that custom feel. Like I mentioned before, these will have a treaded face on the front, giving you some added style to your JK. The tread will also be functional since unlike other slick, flat door guards, these will not be nearly as slippery and will give you some better grip when you're stepping in and out of the Jeep. What I really like about these is that there's absolutely no drilling involved, unlike some other options that do bolt in. On the back, there's pre-laid 3M automotive grade tape so you can ensure that these aren't going anywhere. Now this kit will be one of the most inexpensive options, right around $40, right next to Crown Automotive's option. This will also be the lowest priced plastic option since the material and the design varies with other choices on the page. On average, it seems to range from $20 to even $120 for door sill guards for a 4-door, and the higher price options will include premium brands like Mopar, and they offer different metal finishes like stainless steel and extruded aluminum, which actually might be a little bit more slippery than this treaded option. They also will range in design like billet designs, the Jeep logo stamped on the guard, and even an illuminated option that will give you some extra light when you're stepping in and out of the Jeep. If that's a little bit too much for your taste and you're only looking for some protection, accompanied by a treaded style for form and function, this will be your best and your most affordable option. There's really not much to this install, guys, since these just adhere with adhesive tape, so I have to give this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter.
We're going to begin by wiping the area down with an alcohol prep pad to remove any dirt and oils that may be on the surface. Followed by wiping it down with an adhesion promoter to make sure that the 3M tape sticks properly. Next, you're going to want to remove the backing off the 3M tape. Followed by aligning the part up properly in place and carefully securing it down.
So if you're looking for some extra trim to protect your JK, Rugged Ridge has you covered. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find these door sill guards and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.